Yes, sir. Me despite media, I think it's a Ghana radio there. Mona mama range pa. Mona mama ni range. Father Dixon, me the two and him father. I respect you. Minim said the whoop say all the time. Ojuma honte. Na ko nanim. We die edawabam. Misrew. Se council ankwa minim say only piece FM no. And if despite media no. Now you were making it. And without him, you can make it. Where the enemy na me chem said mu yamodwuma. Na this ready na am dey too many. Say mo man home kakra wa pa chew fine, but mo man relax no home. Say ma fa na dwuma ma mu nyina di. No home kakra. Mo fa no nya asotwe na mo hwe no. Say wo ye good behavior na ma fa ne back. If say nsem a okeka no. Onye obi a ekoyi sa. So ata say ni hu yehu Father oba ofie kura na oba ba akwala keto ahwe ni ye Councilor Lutrot ni hu yehu mo am opise fam ne ada ayino so oba mu fie na say obi a one ne ye fine say councilor ne ba mu fie na we because some a wo ka no mamu take it as a joke e ade a onya obeye ebi kura wa ye bi da na che ne ente no Kwame na wo kan yes you are right ebi onya obeye eti no obia no enhwe ni yi what I say and some are okeka no it's not just for a joke don't take it like that wa patch all there but it's not for a joke and free na no amakeke if you said there onim the consequences of it but of feel say ebi a wo ye nche no ebi a onim say nche be che no it will be kind of way about betum from him. Na so china bi e china. What I be jina ha be ye into ato ase nipa na one ne ye no cry enjoy. Enti no keka sansem no. Hwe. Oye o ebi a wa ye bi e ye hu ye. Ana bi kra dem nimti. Enti no councilor ne de moma ne mpe ba bi relax. So no obetra o say yeah social media and de wo dia. But social media so yetimi regulate. Ebi a Ghana no wanya ne free me mete a mintimi metena entram social media wo enye nsemfo sa hwe kroma amu fa me ho ncheme odikro Israel ayo petition ni dia so masan amana ko minister no ho eno am se minister no gender minister be kasai information minister nso akasa afa ho National Media Commission so mate so makasa. So I'm doing Nancy phone because your radio standard no afford dodo. Oba timi tran radio so was me film nufu. Hey, na America no mo kra sebe. Omo makwan mo acte sebe yi blue film, ye kan blue film. Any ne man no. Omo kra no sebe. Para say omo kra entina mo nkeka zansem no. Untimi ntina America TV so enkeka nsem huwi adult TV kura untimi nka asem o kan na big o Councilor Lutrot asem o kan sa no a very big o good evening Abraham brain evening asem o kan sa no asem na big o the matter no o kan sa no small matter no o kan sa big issue no o kan sa no a big asem o kan sa nsem no o kan no a big a big issue pa no I lucky and America say Chrome ha Holland sansem we ya edi nkrofo nya manfo di kum mai wani bi kura wa ha otimi ne no sabi tun we no makunu enti they don't joke with it krofo obitimi yesa kum ne ba twetwa no no de na hye roba mu ebiso ne na da bi ehu ebeka kum krofo kum bi ni akotuna ebi akotuna twi nsuom ne ade any other day nti Holland they don't joke with that o kan sansem na o mun joke kura it can say ha pa no tena yes o kan sem we I swear to God nka wono ankasa wanye kro betima nya ban amane hwe ye betima agina ne nsem na o kan so kura ma na nya problem eka TV wono kan life na nka no anon ka be blacklisted nko we vie onya TV bia na social media na eno anu abetena say yes eno de ye Miami page wan no Yes, you have created your page, but you don't have control over it. Facebook renya Facebook renya and you know your page. Yes, but you can't come and say any nonsense. Enko. And look at Facebook Ghana and why lucky because you ain't chroma until I say to say bia ntokwa ekukuku maybe chroma cry na da bia msi suku ntokwa Holland afa check and be very quick omu be how what I say etinu uye bibia na aye nna kwa so. Good evening in Germany here one of my friends put something someone yes Mary you are right eyampa etime u study me a on say enema si chroma ana aye bibi I won't post it e won hia. You know, a fan of Nema a trendy and some a trendy can be once. And there might be what I mean trans social media hanky. As I say, I'm very careful. I'm very careful. Because I told you, said I make me video, na jama bread, and copy baby in far body into. Somehow I can. Wapacha odi but radio ne dey mesre radio station bi a chow dey and ekra minim dey ntikra and ekra some friend radio so say o me dey o me pacho na momo no ankoye live no pacho bo Ghana presenters ne so mo ye part of the problem. What I say Ghana no bi atena radio so no threaten mekum nipa na ye hwe no ye nka hwe ntre no na ye hwe no na ye efe. So social media ne be a trending will be a post to be the anyave. But I know on national radio. We shouldn't allow this. So national radio for no mom home so say monya. What I say? Ebe mean some be over. It be a social media and ebe can. But some national because in spite of everything, national radio no a more and a national TV no a more than social media. Regardless. So as I say, regardless, national radio there, it's a CNN, social media bed then 8 minutes CNN, GBC, Peace FM, GH1, one wine, oh my word, oh my streaming or social media there, but radio nankasa is powerful than social. It's powerful because your social media, we have many views. Over here in Accra, my review views in total 800,000. But radio nankasa no mbe wie radio na be kwa echiri any TV no millions of people anyway millions. So as I say first na your radio ye online radio ni e wo peak no say ye streaming now share online streaming no ye streaming enipa 80 that time no so wo de ne kra beto na wo ye na nipa instant 1000 kra na ehwa it will never reach that stage. And ETO radio. Until radio is powerful than several social media. Be instantly nipa 1,000, nipa 10,000 crown every. You be you know, na you know. Omo na eti no. It's more than omo na eche. So when you can look out there, you have apologized, but we apology there. Ye nipa nti. Yen de betimi de acho na emom unuma na wo ye no what I say no ne de ense so omoma akwan biu eno de I don't support any radio station or TV station that will allow you to still come there for now omo ntwen corona ni twam na fi twam next year no masa ama na ya hwe no eno kra ya mana be try kwa anya year ne on fan social media no starting on trending so social media eno anu asan betena wo ene no okopa chew eno anu oye didi. Also, social media, you should use the social media to trend. Only use the social media to trend. That's it. It's also social media, and to use that to trend. And go TV sub you. Use your social media to trend and let your social media pay you. Don't go on radio. Don't go anywhere. Use your social media to trend. And they're wow there. You should not trend. Therefore, with them, na memobia nso ahade ade asan in America nim say be awia o ya ahade asan tin good night why you